You're looking at the largest living structure on Earth, and it's dying. The Great Barrier Reef, once a vibrant underwater world, is now turning ghostly white. But what's really killing it? And can it still be saved? In this video, we'll break down the truth behind what's happening to the Great Barrier Reef. No fluff, no politics, just science, reality, and why it affects you, no matter where you live on the planet. Stick around because the ending might surprise you. What is the Great Barrier Reef? The Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,300 kilometers off the coast of Australia. It's so massive, it can be seen from space. It's home to over 1,500 species of fish, 400 types of coral, and countless marine creatures. For centuries, it's been one of the most biodiverse ecosystems on Earth. But in the past few decades, things have changed. What's killing the reef? Scientists say the reef is dying. But why? The biggest killer, climate change. As ocean temperatures rise, corals experience bleaching, a stress response where they expel the algae that give them color and life. Without those algae, they starve. Add to that pollution from agriculture, overfishing, and coastal development. It's a perfect storm, and the reef is losing the battle. What happens if the reef dies? This isn't just an Australia problem. If the reef dies, it affects the entire planet. Coral reefs support 25% of all marine life. They protect coastlines, support fishing industries, and are key to carbon absorption. Millions of people depend on reefs for food, income, and protection. Without them, oceans become deserts. Can it be saved? There's still hope. Marine scientists are experimenting with coral farming, assisted evolution, and temperature-resilient species. But none of it works, unless we tackle the root cause, global warming. Every action, from policy change to personal lifestyle, counts. The reef can recover, but only if we act fast. If this video moved you, don't let it stop here. Share it, talk about it, support ocean conservation efforts. The reef doesn't have a voice, but you do. Subscribe for more global stories that matter, and let's protect the wonders of our world.